Good morning, dear student. Now today we will study the next experiment given in the chapter, which is based on liquid and gases occupy space. Before this, we have also discussed few experiment in our previous videos, that is gases occupy space. Then we have studied that solid and liquids both have mass. So on these things we have made the experiments, made a video based on the experiment given in the book. Now today we will see the experiment based on liquid and gases occupy space. Okay, for that what we will do, we need a bucket. Okay, we need a bucket. Suppose this is a bucket in which water is filled. Okay, so this is water is filled in the bucket. Now what we will do, we will take a glass. Okay, we will take a glass and this is the glass. Okay, so what we have done, we have taken a glass and put it in the position of upside down. Upside down means what? We have taken a glass and put it like this in the water. Put it like this in the water. Okay, so what happened, as we all know that glass will be empty before putting it inside the water. So what happens, when there is empty somewhere, then at that time what happens, air will take up the space over there. Okay, air will take up the space over there. कोई चीज़ अगर खाली होती है, जैसे ग्लास खाली है, तो वो असल में खाली नहीं होता, उसमें हवा अंदर तक भरी होती है. ठीक है, जब हम उसमें पानी डालते हैं तो वो हवा निकल जाती है, उसकी जगह पानी ले लेता है. ओके, सो नाउ व्हाट हैपेंस, इन द सिमिलर मैनर when we take up a empty glass and we will put it in the position of upside down, so what happens, due to the volume of air inside the glass, what happens, only one third of glass will be occupied by air. Okay, till here. Okay, till here only one third. This is the one third position of glass which is occupied with air. Rest 2/3 of the part which we are seeing here is actually a volume of air. That means here we don't have any water. Okay, here we will have only air. Okay, here we will have only air inside the glass. Okay, so till here, that means 1/3 of the position inside the glass is water and 2/3 of the position inside the glass is air. Okay, now what we will do, we will tilt it gently towards the right side. We will tilt it gently towards the right side after bringing one more glass before it. Okay, now what we will do, this is the first condition. Now we will see the second condition. Okay, in second condition what we will do, we will take another glass. Okay, we will take another glass and put it in the similar manner, and what we will do, this glass which is already immersed inside the water will be tilt gently right side, right side. Okay, like this, it will be tilted gently right side. Okay, so what we will do, what we will see, that as soon as when we will tilt that glass little bit in the right side, what we will see, that the water will take its position inside the glass, which is first glass. Okay, inside the first glass, and what happens, the air bubbles will start rising and start taking its place in here, in the second glass. Okay, this is first glass, and that is second glass. Okay, so what we are observing, that here the volume of water is start increasing, and here the volume of air is start increasing. Okay, so this experiment proves that liquid and gases both occupy space. Okay, so probably you all have understand this experiment. Okay, if not, then I am explaining you once in a Hindi language, so listen it very carefully. क्या किया हमने, एक हमने बाल्टी ले ली, ग्लास बीकर ले लिया, ठीक है, कुछ भी ले लिया, उसमें हमने पानी भर लिया, एक ग्लास को लिया हमने क्या किया, उस बाल्टी के अंदर ग्लास को इन्वर्ट कर दिया इन अपसाइड पोजीशन, इसको अपसाइड पोजीशन कहते हैं, इन्वर्ट कर दिया, ठीक है। उसके बाद फिर हमने क्या किया, इन्वर्ट करने के बाद हम देख रहे हैं कि 1/3 पोजीशन जो है क्या है, ग्लास उसमें बीकर में पानी है, ठीक है, जो कि नीचे का पोजीशन है, और ऊपर की पोजीशन जो कि 2/3 पार्ट है उसमें अभी भी एयर ही है, वो वहाँ तक पानी नहीं गया है, ठीक है, वहाँ तक पानी नहीं भरा है। उसके बाद हम एक दूसरा ग्लास लाते हैं, वो भी क्या है, उसी के सिमिलर मैनर में उसको भी हम डिप करते हैं अपसाइड पोजीशन में, और इसको हल्का सा जेंटली टिल्ट करते हैं राइट साइड। जैसे ही हम टिल्ट करेंगे हम देखेंगे पानी क्या है, वो बहुत तेज़ी से ग्लास के अंदर भरने लगेगा, और ग्लास में जो एयर प्रेजेंट थी वहाँ उसकी स्पेस ख़त्म हो जाएगी, और वो एयर क्या है, निकल के बबल के फॉर्म में होते हुए दूसरे ग्लास के अंदर चली जाएंगी। तो इस ग्लास में वाटर का लेवल बढ़ जाएगा, वॉल्यूम, और इस ग्लास में एयर का वॉल्यूम बढ़ जाएगा। ओके, इन अ सिंपल लैंग्वेज आई हैव एक्सप्लेन यू, in simple language I have explained you here. Okay, so now I think you all have understand this experiment very clearly. After this we will study about the properties of solid. Okay, properties of solid. So what is solid? Solid is a state of matter, one of the state of matter. Okay, so its characteristic of solid. Okay, characteristic or property of solid. The first one is solid has definite shape. Solid has definite shape. It has definite shape. Definite shape. Second is solid has definite volume. It has definite volume also. Okay. Third is it can be heaved. It can be heaved. Okay, heaved. Then fourth is it has a definite shape, it has a definite volume. Okay, it can be heaved. This is the third. And fourth one is it do not need a container to hold. Okay, solid don't need a container to hold like other states of matter need. Okay, so these are the properties of solids. Okay, the first one is it has a definite shape. We all know that anything which is present on the earth in a state of solid have definite shape, whether it is a glass, whether it can be a jug, whether it can be a table, okay, sofa, bed, anything present in your house, all is solid state and all have definite shape. The second thing is definite volume. Volume is also a definite, okay, that means fixed volume we will have. Okay, then third is it can be heaved. What is heaved here? What do you mean by heap here? Heap is the position, that means you all have seen a spoonful of salt. Spoonful of salt. Suppose this is a spoon. Okay. Suppose this is a spoon. Okay. This is a spoon. And on this spoon, you all have seen your mother and your sister or someone else, okay, who is picking those spoon full of salt. What you will see that in a spoon something like this salt is present. Okay, that means it is heaped. This position is known as heaped position. Okay, this position is known as heaped position. Okay, you all have see it is given somewhere in the book. Okay, ओके, दिस इज नोन एज हीव्ड. हीव्ड मीन्स क्या, थोड़ा सा चढ़ा देना. ठीक है, हमने जैसे कि एक चम्मच भर के नमक ले लिया, तो हम उसमें जितना चाहें उसमें नमक चम्मच में हम थोड़ा सा ज़्यादा भी ले लेंगे तो वो क्या हो जाएगा, वो हीप्ड हो जाएगा, वो थोड़ा सा चढ़ जाएगा। ओके, दैट पोजीशन इज नोन एज हीप्ड. So these are the properties of solid we have studied here. Okay, rest of the properties of liquid and gases and other experiments we will discuss in our next video. Okay, so till then study till here and wait for the other next lectures. Thank you.